Hi. So we're back with the 1086 that had the issue with the weak hydraulics on the auxiliary valves. As you can see, I've got the rear end tore apart. Sorry I didn't get any videos of that, but it was really a pain in the butt. So I was more worried about getting it tore down than I was taking videos. So you can see I got the fuel tank out. The rock shaft housing's been pulled. There you can see the differential down in the rear end housing. Here's the rock shaft housing. I use the cherry picker to pull it. Your 3-point actuating cylinder would set down inside that area. Over here is the 3-point cylinder itself on the workbench. So here, this is the actuating cylinder. So as I got to tearing this out, I think I found the problem. This is the action control valve. So when I got this apart, this is a new O-ring, but this O-ring, this edge right here was blown out and gone. So I think that's where my spray of oil was coming from. So ended up with about a day and a half worth of tearing things apart to get down to fix a 20-cent O-ring. Anyway, we'll replace all these seals as this goes back and put it back together, and we'll see if it works. I'll keep you posted. Just putting this out there, I had a hard time finding some of this information. Hopefully it helps somebody else. Thanks for watching.